Welcome to Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna. We're going to start by browning 1 pound of ground beef on medium-high heat. And then add 1 pound of Italian sausage. And we're going to brown that up until it's done, and we're going to drain our grease, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we diced up a whole onion, and we'll add that into the mixture. And then we got 2 cloves of garlic chopped up, and we'll stir that up. Whenever your sauteed onions get soft and your garlic, then we'll drain our grease. Okay, we're going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, and 2 cans of tomato paste. Okay, so now we're going to add a half a cup of water. A teaspoon of basil. 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. 2 pinches of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, so once we get it all mixed up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of parsley. And we reduce our heat down to low, and we're going to simmer that for 30 minutes. Okay, for the ricotta mixture, we're going to take 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to take 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, whole milk. We're going to have 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to have 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of parsley. That'd be 3 of those. Equals 1 of these. And then a half a teaspoon of basil. And 1 egg. And we're going to mix it up. Okay, so there it is, all good mixed up. Okay, so now we just add our noodles in water, and we're going to let them cook about 10-12 minutes until the lasagna noodles. Alright, so now everything's done. We're going to layer this in. So we're going to layer our lasagna noodles down. Take our ricotta cheese mixture, and we'll spread it across the top. Alright, so now we got the cheese mixture spreaded. Now we're going to do another layer of the meat sauce. Alright, so now we add our next layer of noodles. Okay, so we're going to have 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and we're going to just spread it across the top. The mozzarella cheese, and we're just going to sprinkle it on top. In a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes, covered. So we're going to cook that for 45 minutes. So now we're going to remove this cover, and we're going to continue cooking it for 15 more minutes. Alright, and there's our finished lasagna. We're going to let it cool down for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll enjoy. Alright, here y'all go. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time.
Yummy, I'm gonna eat some now. I want to eat some. Mama, what is? Mama, what eat? Mama, what eat some?
You ready to eat some?
Hmm?
Okay, let's go eat. Thanks for